What? Something's happening to the slime! Whoa! Do you know what? We have to show the world. It's our slime duty. Slime duty. We better wash our hands after playing with this slime. I guess we should grab the TP and go to the secret slime lair. But our viewers will see it. It's the only safe place we can study it. That's right. Editor number 2, get the camera. Oh. Crystal. Crystal, let's go. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark. Daddy shark, stop saying copyright on my channel. You need a copyright here. Yeah, or else the slime's gonna fall out and go everywhere. Viewers, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you'll never miss any of our videos, or else we will not show you this in 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it yet? Lexi, open the oven. Why did you guys, wait for me! Oh yeah, editor number 2 is really important. I am really important. Your eyes are green. So guys, we are in the lab now. Hey. So guys, we are going to scoop all of the slime up, each of us, and then we're going to pour it all out in front of us at the same time. I'm going to put the cup in, get some, and then give it to these lovely people. We are hooligans. These lovely hooligans. Take it. Slime smells weird. Really? No, it's not. Yada yeet. That's what she did. She yeeted it. I yeeted that box. She yeeted it. Do you know what noobs do? What? They yeet and pros ute. I'm a ute then. I'm a noob. You don't even know what ute means, do you? I snap 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ASMR with Listle. Cups, everybody. I yeeted my cups. Yeet! I mean you. Guys, never try this at home. Yeah, never do what she did. What did I do? Da, 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 da. When I popped the ice and your girl gave me just a little bit of hot choc, then you're so cold. Hot chocolate! Guys, I'm going to do bubble gum. It's dancing! Bubble gum. I got it. Tomatoes, red lamb, right? twerking and doing the orange justice. So guys, make sure to follow us on TikTok at Thanks for watching! Subscribe! Like! Turn the notification bell! Make sure to like if you love mannequins. Yes! This is our friend Bob here. Blue magic! Black magic! Blue magic! Black magic! Blue magic! Black magic! Blue magic! I have to live with these people! Black magic! Blue magic! What? Can we have a dance party? More liquid for you. You did have bloopers at the end. Here. I did because they're beautiful. So beautiful. You know what it is? Yay! What? Yay!
Right foot again. Left foot again. Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Freeze!
Okay. Say something. Let me bite my finger.
That's my nose.
Hey, Lily! What? Ellie's here! What? Ellie's here!
Oh well.
I'm gonna go get him. Oh, he's fast. I'm videotaping, go ahead. Thanks.